Alright, so for parts, starting from the left, we've got the 3060 Ti Founders Edition. We also got for RAM, we've got the Corsair LPX 2x16 gigabyte. These are 3200 megahertz sticks at CL16. We also have for the CPUs a Ryzen 5 5600X. So for the motherboard, we went with the X570i AORUS Pro Wi-Fi. Although in the build video, you're gonna see the MSI B550i Gaming Edge. I ended up swapping them just because I came across the X570 board and figured why not. Also for some fans, we've got Noctua NF-A12x15. These are two slim fans. And then also for fans on the right side, we've got the Noctua chromax NF-F12 fans. And there's 4 of those. For storage, we're rocking an Intel 660p 1TB SSD. It's a nvme drive, Gen 3. And then for the case, we're gonna go with the CoolerMaster NR200. And the power supply, I actually don't have a box for. I ended up picking it up secondhand. It's also different than what was used in the build video. In the build video, there's going to be a CoolerMaster 650 watt SFX, and now I actually have SilverStone's, I think it's SX650. I got it with the motherboard on a deal, so figured why not throw it in there. Alright, so here's the build. As you can see, the motherboard, we've got the stock CPU cooler for now. Stay tuned because I have some big plans for this computer. There's the RAM, of course 3060 Ti. There's the slim Noctua fans. This is a panel that sits right here on the side. And then you got 2 more fans up there and the power supply. So in the initial build video, it took me forever to get the GPU in because of the clearance here between where you plug the cables in and the top of the GPU. And when I swapped the motherboard and power supply, I managed to route most of the cables. Well, I did the build order different, which helped a lot, but I was able to get the cables put elsewhere. A lot of them got ran up top here above the PSU. And now you can see I've got plenty of room for the GPU. And then also I went ahead, like I said, I got plans for this computer, so I went ahead and ran Melex in here, and they're all just tied up on the bottom right now, which kind of causes some clearance issues with the front, but it still shuts if you try hard enough. And then all of the fans are plugged in right here with this SilverStone fan splitter. It's like a 8-port PWM. It's like $10 on Amazon. Works great.